Hello guys, we are back with a new tutorial, and today's tutorial is from Codeforces website, and the contest name is Kraken Forces 2020. And guys, today we are going to see problem B of this contest. The name of the problem is array sum. So without wasting time, let's move on to the problem statement. The problem statement is telling you are given a non-descending array. Non-descending array means ascending order array, okay, non-negative integer, okay, of array n, okay. So also you need to find, also you are given a positive integer k, okay, we are also given an integer k. You need to find m non-decreasing arrays of non-negative integers, means non-decreasing arrays of non-negative integers. Okay, we need to find an m arrays. We need to find m arrays of non-negative integers and a sorted array. Okay, such that each array should such that the size of each array is equals to n. Okay, the size of each array is equals to n. Okay, for all m till m, for all j, for all aj is equals to the sum of all jth elements of that array. Okay, so the number of elements in the array bi should be at most k. Perfect. So we need to find the minimum elements of value m. Report it is not possible. Okay, so what we need to do here in this question is we are given an array a of length n, and we need to find an integer m. Okay, so what that integer m denotes is there should be m arrays named b1, b2, b3, and each array should be equals to n. The size of each array should be equals to m, okay, of all m number of arrays. So, and the size of jth element should be equals to aj of all arrays, and there should be at most, means all the elements should be less than or equals to k. Okay, not greater than k. Okay, so what is the logic is we will take input n and k as told in the question. We will decrement k, and we will take a vector a, input it, and we will take a different integer diff, which will tell us the number of different elements in the array. Okay, number of different elements in the array, and if the different element is equals to 0, means they all the elements are equal, means it is the whole array is equal. So we will print 1 in that case, and if different is not equals to 0 and k is equals to 0, then we will print -1 in that case, because in that case we will not be able to make such array. And the last case is here, that is we will count the number of we will find the number of different elements, different groups that we are needed of k different elements in order to obtain the number of elements we needed. Okay, so this is the formula for that, different element plus k minus 1 divided by k. Okay, so this is the input, and this was a simple problem and simple implementation of this. The problem statement was really complicated for me, but I managed it. So hope you enjoy the editorial. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button, guys. Why are you not subscribing? Subscribe it. I will be posting the solution for C also. So thanks for watching, guys. Meet you guys next time. Bye bye.